my name is Cindy. Last week, my teacher taught me few names of animals. Do you want to know them? Oops, it's time for me to go to class.
Good morning, children. Now, I'm going to tell you a story. Listen carefully, okay? Hello, my name is Ellie. I love animals. I'm going for a walk. Would you like to join me? I saw this animal in the zoo. It has a long trunk. I know it is an elephant. I saw this animal before. It has a long neck. Yes, it is a giraffe. Look, there is an animal there. It has flippers. It is a penguin. I saw this animal in the zoo. It swings from tree to tree. It is a monkey. I know this animal. It is a sheep. Yeah, I can remember all the names of the animals. Learning about animals is fun. Now, children, can you name all the animals that you saw in the story?
I can't remember, teacher.
It's okay. I'll show you. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So, is it clearer now?
Yes, teacher.
Good! That's all for today. Goodbye, class!